passengers, welcome to Cusco City. We have landed at 17 minutes to 8 p.m. local time, and our flight on time of arrival by Christmas. Please remain seated until the
We just got to Cusco. We're looking for our Airbnb. The roads are so small. It's crazy. It's crazy that cars can really make it through. Our Airbnb's in a location that kind of need to search for. I'm starting to get out of breath.
Yeah,
Just
elevation
because of
is
the altitude.
it's definitely, it's noticeable.
It's noticeable. This looks right to you, right? Cool. Oh no. It's to the left or to... I don't think it's that one.
I think it is, it is.
It is? Okay. Do you see the graffiti?
No, 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 I see the house.
Okay. Yeah, go.
Oh, sorry.
And then?
And then there's supposed to be...
Stairs?
No, no, no. This? How come there's no stairs here?
That's what I'm saying. It's like little construction. This is a hike in it of itself. I don't know. That's a dog.
Let's go back and retrace our steps.
Okay.
Because we at least know exactly where that building is.
Hi, hi. Hi. Made it. It was a bit of a puzzle, for sure.
It's cold.
It's pretty cold. And then, as we were getting into the Airbnb, the key to the gate kept jamming. So we had to call for backup from
Yanni,
our Airbnb host.
who called her neighbor to help us.
Yeah, but I mean,
Very sweet older lady. Najuma.
Najma. Yeah. But we're here on peace.
We're here. The heater's on.
The heater's on, and yeah, this is our humble abode.
We'll share with you.
It's a little kitchen, a little living room. Oh, yes. Here's the view of the city. The city is quite beautiful. So we are excited to explore. For now, we are going to drink some water and warm up and rest up. It's Cusco. Day one.
Day one. It's cold.
It's so cold.
Let's go.
Our Airbnb is well fortified.
It is. have to unlock it to go out.
We're off to find some food.
Yeah.
It is warmer than we thought, so that's nice. It's just kind of cold in the apartment, I guess. I do hear like a distant roaring. Our driver was telling us how, if you look at the architecture, the bottom foundation of stone is of the native people, and then everything else is Spanish, which makes sense. Oh, there's a pack. It's like Dog City over here. Oh.
Cutie.
Mercado San Blas.
I want that soup.
Yeah.
No, make sure people don't bump into it. Maybe make it closer.
The soup is nice.
Yeah, the soup is good. Or you get it too. Maybe?
I think it's...
The leche de tigre?
Yeah.
This one? Yeah? Yeah. This is good.
Yeah. Is this
Picante.
picante?
Hola chicos, ceviche. ¿Cómo están?
¿Podemos sentar aquí?
No. Pues se pueden asomar, por favor, el picadito, por favor.
Oh. Squid, I think.
오징어.
Actually, I think your ceviche is original too.
I like 오징어. Oh, good job. Oh, it's giving up.
Chicha.
Morada. Sin azúcar. Oh, without sugar. We haven't had that. It's different.
Jen 5 seconds after touching a baby alpaca.
I didn't get to hold it.
We'll find one.
Oh my god. This is the closest you get. Oh, it's like baby alpaca.
Desde Lima, seguramente para el desfile del martes 8, cargado de muchas sorpresas, premios y regalos para cada uno de nosotros. Bienvenidos, gracias al señor Tito Barrientos, promoción 1964.
I need dessert. I'm so glad that for some reason, because I didn't know I could make phone calls. Yeah, there's not that. So you got dropped off here or somewhere else?
At the staircase at the end of the runway, like as far as you could drive up. That's like over there.
Yeah.
I was like to Jen, I don't think this is it. And then Jen was like, yeah, this is definitely it. It was it. It's just we missed a turn.
This is really good.
It is really good. The bread. Like this green sauce and the red sauce.
I could eat a whole thing of these.
Thing of like whole basket of bread.
I could eat this.
Can we just eat bread?
We could ask for extra bread. Oh, does it?
I think that's your size.
Oh, I got a super.
Also,
Okay, this is me. Okay.
Gracias. Does mine come with a? Oh, it's coming.
yeah, you have a big soup with it, I think.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
I think so.
That's all you get?
No,
Just
I
a little
think.
bit of rice and sweet potatoes.
I think there's more coming.
What you get, Si?
Just like fried ham.
Fried ham.
This is cookati. And size hot chocolate.
It's more like sea milk.
English.
You don't feel just this osobuco, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Surprise, it's here.
I knew.
Look at this. It's amazing.
Oh, wow.
Osobuco.
Nice.
This herb don't eat, okay?
Okay, gracias.
Thank you.
Thank
That's
you.
it. That's some food.
Let's see.
Hot walls as in like
Like all this,
white.
the concrete and everything.
It's like a parade, a puppet thing.
The police is also taking pictures. Do you want to try some stuff?
Can I try some of your banana bread?
Yeah. Oh, this one's yours.
I had coffee on this.
Really?
Like,
This is the best.
fancy.
Yeah.
I think they're just cleaning out packs and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Alpaca expeditions.
Wait,
Cool, we just figured out our alpaca expedition
checked in.
booking. We're all checked in now and we're ready to go.
Pues con esta metodología el niño genera su interés y te da preguntas, papá, excelente, esto se tiene mitad, pero se tiene mitad. ¿Qué pasaría si le...
This is San Pedro Mercado. Yeah. I kind of want an empanada.
We're on a quest for empanadas. Austin feels like the ones on this side looked better. Oh, could you get me a hot milk? I feel like I've seen people with that.
Leche?
I want to try it.
I'm happy to go though.
Yeah.
Acá tiene café, azúcar. Acá hay café.
Do you want some or no? No. You're scared of it?
Yeah.
I kept on seeing people serve it. Like, there's some stations with just hot milk.
Oh, well.
Just have a sip. Sorry, do you want a sip?
Is it like just milk?
But it's like... Oh, you have to?
Oh. Add coffee?
Okay.
How much? It doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, gracias, thank you.
Gracias.
Café. Es huevo. Pásame mi leche, café, chocolate aquí, mamá.
I think this is how I like it. Maybe I'm supposed to... It's like mostly milk. Like you had with your hot cocoa.
Good?
sure enjoyed it.
Oh my gosh. What'd you get, Sai?
Pineapple juice with, or orange juice with pineapple and papaya.
Oh, nice. You did 3 out of 4. Oh my god.
For the mango.
Is that a kiwi?
Mango is my favorite fruit.
Guys, this is a kiwi.
Yeah.
It's a massive kiwi.
Can we get a cup? Like, paper cup? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, that looks good, Sai.
That looks really good.
Is he waiting, actually?
It's actually waiting.
Look at this one. Behind you?
Yeah, he's just lying.
Yeah. Melancholy.
I've gotten a lot of
Let's see
shots
how
of that.
long the dog waits.
We have to cross the street too anyway, so.
How you can count, right? So looking at the sign. 14.
Let's see.
What is this? I've been seeing people put it in their soups. Sopa. Picture machine. This is chucha? Trout? It's trout.
My sopa?
More sopa. Choco lucuma.
No. I'm feeding myself. Yeah?
It's really tart. I should open up a pie shop. Pie coffee like this. Pie coffee. And
You
ice
do
cream.
pie and coffee.
Yeah.
Pie and coffee.
And donuts.
Ice cream. Donuts is, I feel like donuts is starting to get hard because you get it fried.
It's its own thing.
Yeah, yeah. New Jersey, every single town has a diner, and they have like the best pies, and it's a 24/7. They're open. So like you're like you want something like late at night, I just go there and get a pie.
So we found this place. It was Sai who recommended this place. It is also Sai who is allergic to cats.
What is
But
this
he
place?
thought we would like it.
It's a cat cafe? In Cusco?
Cat fitting.
It's the first one in
Tin.
either Cusco or Peru.
Cool. Alright, Jen's going in.
It's like a mint tea.
Cheers. Munya? You got Munya too, right?
Yeah.
What'd you get, Jen?
manzana.
Manzan?
Apple.
Oh.
Smell it? Quinoa and
Corn? She.
verduras.
Oh. Gracias. We're going up to Sasuke Huaman. Oh, no, thank you.
One picture.
Yeah. Maybe? Hola.
Oh, we don't have a ticket.
Yeah, you can buy ticket, yeah, in the window.
Yeah, the tickets for the Sasuke woman?
Sí, 70 soles por each.
Oh, 70?
Sí, 70 soles. Before. 4 places.
Oh, no.
Can we do one place?
No individual, no individual, there's only 4 places.
Do you accept dollars?
No, soles.
Oh, the soles?
Is there cambios nearby?
No, no cambio. Soles, only soles.
Okay.
You kind of saw it. It's just stones.
Guys, there's stairs right there. See that couple walking there? We can go up there.
Okay.
Change dollars.
We can change dollars?
We are local guys, local English speaking.
Do you wanna?
Okay.
What rate?
Yeah, it's always. Yeah, how much you want? How many dollars you have?
Well, we just need enough for the ticket.
Yeah, how many would you want to change? Yeah, please.
Yeah, let's see what the rate is.
70 soles.
Where are you from, guys?
We have to. How many soles do we have?
The US.
US.
Yeah, US. How many soles do we have right now?
It's
So we need 70,
25 in US.
210,
25.
Oh.
2 soles to US dollar.
No, you pay us 25. Yeah, I can buy the tickets for you.
25
Yes.
for you can buy 3 tickets
Yeah, per person. 25, 75.
25 per person.
per person.
75.
But 25, I guess it's like almost 90 soles.
25.
No, this is international change. In Cusco it's 2.4.
210 soles, 58.
Yeah, but I don't change. So it's just helping you. In este you go
As
down.
a fee.
In
As
este
a
you
fee.
go
about-
down.
Let's go
What
down.
And
about?
come up and take a tax. It's more expensive.
I want to go
which
down.
is 30.
What about 70?
No.
No.
It's because I have to go down. I pay a taxi. When I go down, I come to this place by taxi.
Okay. I'm okay to go down.
Let's go down, yeah.
You want to go down?
Yeah.
People go down.
Okay, we'll go down.
You can change. You can take a taxi. You climb
It's
up
okay.
again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you,
You're
yeah.
young people.
Yeah. Thank you.
Guys, let's go up where that couple is going off. That's great.
Okay.
I think this is. I mean, I think it's worth it if you did all 4 sites, maybe.
It would
Yeah,
be.
if we had, if we weren't doing the Machu Picchu hike, I'd be more inclined to.
Yeah. Rather watch an IMAX movie.
Watch Dune. In
Dude in
IMAX.
IMAX.
Yeah.
It's pretty sick.
Dude, I'm getting like flashbacks of solo leveling.
Oh, in that statue room.
Yeah.
So we kind of failed getting into Saskatchewan.
Sacsayhuaman.
Because we didn't have enough soles. It was 70 soles each, and we were just kind of running low on soles. We do need to visit the Cambrio today. We took a slight detour and saw the Cristo Blanco. Right? Cristo Blanco?
Actually, I don't know. I think it's
Cristo Blanco?
Crystal. Haha, Cusco. I wonder what percentage of the population goes to school.
What percentage is literate? In Peru or Cusco? Oh wow. Good picks.
Huancaina, no spicy. Okay?
What does it say? 94%, but they say specifically this refers to the percentage of people ages 15 and above who can read and write with understanding a short, simple statement about their everyday life. 94% is pretty good. Pretty good. Isn't that higher than the US?
Wait, they can understand like speech or
Yes,
speech
read and
and
write. Read and write.
Wait, so these have cheese in them?
80% in the US.
Really?
I wonder if the goalposts are different, but lomo saltado.
Do you mind if mine's in the background?
Yeah.
I wanted to.
Aji de
Ají de gallina.
gallina
Gallina.
and chicken milanese.
Yay.
Inca Grill.
Girl. Petting urges, and I like want to pet this pigeon now.
Oh, there's more
They're
cats.
so cute. That's okay.
Oh, do you want to get out of the kids' picture real quick? Oh.
Oh. No. Oh.
We're washing it. Get it, zoom in though.
They like to poop and pee in specific places. Like this is their toilet.
Nice job, buddy. Get next to it, Jen. Oh no.
These ones?
Cholina, puedes sacarlo, no problema.
Oh, that's
Oh.
okay. Oh, or
¿Cuánto
Quanto.
es?
Al 45, 45 soles.
45.
Is it baby alpaca?
Mama alpaca.
Mama
Oh, do you
alpaca?
have baby alpaca? No.
No.
Still
Actually,
really
it's still
soft.
really soft. There's 45 soles. Hola.
This one handmade. Only
Handmade? Is baby alpaca or mama alpaca? Oh.
No baby. Mama alpaca.
¿Cuánto es?
50 soles.
50.
Soles.
50. Oh, okay.
Soles.
Soles. So, can we step outside and talk about it?
Yeah.
Let's walk to another store real quick. So it's 4, you said?
I did the other color different.
How much for this one?
This one,
Okay.
soles. And this mama alpaca.
That one's.
And this mama.
Hmm.
It's different. Mama alpaca.
So in the first store, it was 45
Over there.
for the first place that we looked
Yeah.
at. Then it went up to 50.
Yeah.
And these ones, they say it was baby alpaca at 85.
I don't think.
My thought, I don't think so either. My thought is just get 4 and say 150.
Each.
150 total
Oh, for 4?
for 4.
Wait, how? Let me do the math. It's the first
That's
place at
less than
45,
40.
right?
Less than 40 for
Yeah,
each one.
but we're buying 4.
Okay, fine. 450. Okay, good idea. Good idea.
Is baby or mama?
It's cotton.
Cotton. Oh.
In other store, for example, this one is too soft, say for baby, but this one is not baby. It's pure cotton.
Mm.
Which
And
ones
this
are alpaca?
alpaca with cotton is this mix. It's handmade in telar. No machine.
Oh. So maybe these are all cotton, Jen. This one is baby?
Es no
Mama.
baby,
Not
es
baby.
adulta alpaca, pero es 100% y 90%.
And
Which
then
one
Ajá,
is
sí.
100?
Y esto es ya 40 o 30% ya, sí.
This is like 90 or
Ajá.
100.
This one is 100 and the other is mixed.
Oh,
This one's mixed.
okay. Let's see. How do you wash it? Can
Ah,
you just
no hot
just
water.
hand wash?
No
Cold-
problem. You
cold
can,
water.
You can this one wash with
machine?
Yes, machine or handmade.
Sí, después normal. En fin,
This.
sí, en this está 60, dímelo.
This one is 60 sols.
60.
Y en this también 50, dímelo.
50.
60, that's
Yeah,
50.
60 and 50.
And then this one is also 50?
Sí,
No.
en this está 20 soles.
20 soles?
So that one's mixed.
Mix.
20 soles en this. Hasta 15 soles. Llévese, amigo.
Okay.
30 soles en this. Pero usted jamás come.
Well, I'm thinking
How
of
much
getting,
would you
I'm thinking of getting this one.
Yeah? Chompas.
Oh, no, that's okay.
This one is 100%?
Sí, en this es, sí.
Claro.
Do you have other color?
En
More
this,
colors?
sí, en this color, en this color, en this, y en this color. Sí.
I think I'd get.
If we buy cuatro,
Yeah.
one for cuatro,
For 4?
De estas.
Yes.
A ver. A 35. Ya, amigo, por 4 le voy a dejar así, ¿ok? Para que se le... ay. ¿Ok? Por, ¿ok?
okay.
¿Ok?
Okay.
Ya.
Yeah.
Escógese.
Okay.
Okay. Gracias.
Guys, my heart is fulfilled. Thank you.
I'm drinking some soup
Before Machu Picchu.
for Machu Picchu.